2020 Kia Sorento 7-passenger SUV. Midnight Black Edition. Aluminum alloy wheels with good Michelin tires. Tinted windows. V6 engine. Power tailgate. Third row seating. Nice black leather interior. Panoramic sunroof. Well-kept black leather interior. Charge ports for the second row. Kia carpeted floor mats throughout. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Power driver's seat adjustments. Blind spot, lane keep assist. Auxiliary and USB audio inputs. Heated front seats. Large touchscreen with backup camera. Smart cruise. Hands-free Bluetooth. Automatic headlights. Just over 130,000 miles. Come by and see us.